Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by making sure the earbuds have power and the app is installed on your phone. Once done, enable Bluetooth and open JBL headphones. The app scans automatically. Put the buds in pairing mode, usually by holding the touch sensors or the case button, and watch for the device name to appear. You'll tap the name to connect. This immediate pairing step links the hardware and app, so focus on visual cues in the app as it confirms connection. Once connected, you'll step through permissions the app requests, grant them so features work properly. Next, open device settings, adjust the EQ presets, or create a custom profile to match your music. Run the fit test if available to optimize noise isolation and toggle sound modes like awareness or noise canceling. Make sure firmware updates are enabled. They improve stability. Also set up voice assistant and left/right controls so the earbuds behave how you expect. You should now verify everything. Play music, take a call, and test touch or button responses. Confirm mic quality. If audio drops or the app won't connect, toggle Bluetooth, restart your phone, and reopen the app. Once you've tried those quick fixes, reboot the earbuds by placing them in the case or using the power cycle method. If problems persist, perform a factory reset from the app or button sequence. This clears paired device conflicts and usually resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.